Crystals are not just beautiful stones, they carry unique energies that can influence our emotions, mindset, and spiritual growth. Each crystal color vibrates with its own frequency and energy, which can profoundly affect our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Understanding crystal colors and their hidden meanings allows you to select stones that align with your intentions, desires, and goals. In this guide, we will explore the deepest knowledge of crystal colors, their properties, and how to use them effectively in your daily life for manifestation, protection, healing, and personal growth. The power of crystal colors. Every color in the universe carries a specific vibration, and crystals amplify these energies naturally. Colors resonate with our chakras, emotions, and even subconscious thoughts. For example, red crystals energize and motivate, while blue crystals calm and soothe the mind. By connecting to the color energy of a crystal, we can enhance its natural powers and direct them toward specific intentions. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crystal practitioner, understanding these energies opens the door to a more conscious and powerful use of crystals. Red crystals. Passion, strength, and vitality. Red crystals, such as garnet, red jasper, and ruby, are deeply connected to the root chakra. They carry energy that promotes courage, strength, and vitality. Red symbolizes life force, passion, and determination. Emotional impact. Red crystals boost confidence, stimulate courage, and reduce feelings of fear or insecurity. They can help you overcome procrastination and take bold action. Physical healing. These stones can energize circulation, enhance stamina, and support physical vitality. Athletes or individuals seeking increased energy often benefit from red crystals. Spiritual use. Red crystals help ground spiritual energy, making them ideal for connecting to the physical world while pursuing spiritual growth. How to use red crystals. Carry a red crystal during challenging situations to boost courage. Meditate with a red crystal to stabilize your energy and connect with your life force. Place red crystals in your workspace to enhance focus and determination. Orange crystals. Creativity and joy. Orange crystals, including carnelian, orange calcite, and sunstone, resonate with the sacral chakra. They represent creativity, joy, and enthusiasm. Orange is a color that stimulates the senses, encourages adventure, and ignites passion for life. Emotional impact. Orange crystals help release fear and guilt, encouraging emotional balance and confidence in expressing desires. They inspire playfulness and optimism. Physical healing. Orange stones can support reproductive health, boost energy, and aid in overcoming fatigue. Spiritual use. These crystals encourage exploration of the self and enhance intuitive abilities while connecting you to joy and abundance. How to use orange crystals. Place orange crystals near your creative workspace to inspire ideas. Wear them to overcome self-doubt and encourage joyful self-expression. Use them in meditation to open the sacral chakra and invite confidence in personal relationships. Yellow crystals. Clarity, confidence, and personal power. Yellow crystals, such as citrine, yellow jasper, and amber, are connected to the solar plexus chakra. Yellow radiates confidence, intellect, and personal power. These stones encourage self-expression, clarity, and manifestation. Emotional impact. Yellow crystals promote optimism, courage, and self-confidence. They are ideal for overcoming fear, self-doubt, and anxiety. Physical healing. They can aid digestion, boost metabolism, and energize the nervous system. Spiritual use. Yellow crystals enhance mental clarity, decision-making, and spiritual growth by connecting to personal power. How to use yellow crystals. Place yellow stones on your desk or carry them as talismans for focus and clarity. Meditate with yellow crystals to strengthen your solar plexus chakra and reinforce your confidence in goal achievement. Green crystals. Growth, healing, and balance. Green crystals, including aventurine, emerald, and green jade, correspond to the heart chakra. Green is the color of growth, healing, abundance, and balance. It connects to nature, love, and emotional healing. Emotional impact. Green crystals encourage emotional healing, forgiveness, and compassion. They help release resentment and attract harmonious relationships. Physical healing. These stones support the heart, lungs, and immune system. Green crystals are beneficial for overall wellness and vitality. Spiritual use. Green crystals align your energy with the earth, promoting balance, grounding, and emotional harmony. How to use green crystals. Keep green crystals near your living space to attract abundance and positive energy. Wear them to enhance emotional balance and forgiveness. Meditate with green stones to heal emotional wounds and open the heart chakra. Blue crystals. Communication, calm, and intuition. Blue crystals, such as lapis lazuli, sodalite, and aquamarine, are linked to the throat chakra. Blue is a calming color that enhances communication, truth, and intuition. Emotional impact. Blue crystals calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve self-expression. They are ideal for enhancing communication and speaking your truth. Physical healing. They support the throat, respiratory system, and nervous system. Blue crystals can also relieve tension and anxiety. Spiritual use. Blue crystals strengthen intuition, psychic abilities, and spiritual awareness. They are often used for meditation and connection to higher guidance. How to use blue crystals. Place blue crystals on your desk to encourage clear communication. Meditate with them to deepen spiritual insight and intuition. Carry blue stones to remain calm and balanced during stressful situations. Indigo crystals. Insight, awareness, and psychic ability. Indigo crystals, including amethyst and iolite, resonate with the third eye chakra. Indigo is associated with insight, wisdom, and psychic awareness. These crystals encourage spiritual growth and inner vision. Emotional impact. Indigo crystals enhance intuition, clarity of thought, and inner guidance. They assist in understanding patterns and decision-making. Physical healing. They support the eyes, brain, and endocrine system. Indigo stones can help alleviate headaches and improve mental clarity. Spiritual use. Indigo crystals open the third eye chakra, promoting psychic abilities, spiritual insight, and meditation. How to use indigo crystals. Meditate with indigo crystals to enhance intuition and inner vision. Place them on your third eye chakra to strengthen spiritual insight. Use them in energy healing practices to connect with higher guidance. Violet crystals. Spirituality, transformation, and higher consciousness. Violet crystals, like amethyst and charoite, are associated with the crown chakra. Violet represents spiritual growth, transformation, and connection to the divine. Emotional impact. Violet crystals encourage calmness, meditation, and spiritual alignment. They help release fear and enhance inner peace. Physical healing. They can support the nervous system, relieve stress, and improve sleep. Spiritual use. Violet crystals facilitate spiritual awakening, higher consciousness, and connection with universal energy. How to use violet crystals. Place violet crystals in meditation spaces to deepen spiritual connection. Wear them to encourage self-reflection and personal transformation. Use them to enhance psychic development and spiritual practices. Pink crystals. Love, compassion, and emotional healing. Pink crystals, including rose quartz and rhodochrosite, connect to the heart chakra. Pink represents love, compassion, and emotional healing. Emotional impact. Pink crystals promote self-love, forgiveness, and harmonious relationships. They help release emotional pain and attract love energy. Physical healing. They support heart health and emotional balance, reducing stress and tension. Spiritual use. Pink crystals open the heart chakra to compassion, empathy, and unconditional love. How to use pink crystals. Place pink crystals on your bedside table to attract loving energy. Meditate with them to heal emotional wounds and open your heart. Carry them to strengthen relationships and self-compassion. White and clear crystals. Purity, clarity, and amplification. White or clear crystals, like clear quartz and selenite, are universal stones. They amplify energy, provide clarity, and protect from negativity. Emotional impact. Clear crystals enhance focus, clarity, and emotional balance. They cleanse negative energy and promote calmness. Physical healing. They support the immune system and overall vitality. Clear crystals can amplify other stones' energies. Spiritual use. White and clear crystals align all chakras, facilitate meditation, and connect to universal energy. How to use white and clear crystals. Use clear quartz to amplify intentions and energy. Place them in meditation spaces to enhance spiritual practices. Combine them with colored crystals to boost specific energies. Black crystals. Protection, grounding, and stability. Black crystals, including black tourmaline and obsidian, resonate with the root chakra. They provide protection, grounding, and emotional stability. Emotional impact. Black crystals shield from negativity, fear, and stress. They help release emotional baggage and restore balance. Physical healing. They support grounding and strengthen the immune system. Spiritual use. Black crystals protect against psychic attacks, absorb negative energy, and anchor spiritual energy into the body. How to use black crystals. Place black crystals near entrances for protection. Carry them to shield yourself from negative energy. Meditate with them to feel grounded and stable. Multicolored crystals. Harmony and integration. Multicolored crystals, like fluorite and tourmaline, combine energies of several colors. They balance multiple chakras and encourage integration of mind, body, and spirit. Emotional impact. Multicolored crystals enhance adaptability, clarity, and harmony. They help release internal conflict and promote unity. Physical healing. These stones support overall vitality and energy balance. Spiritual use. Multicolored crystals facilitate spiritual growth, chakra alignment, and holistic well-being. How to use multicolored crystals. Use multicolored crystals in meditation to balance all chakras. Carry them to harmonize energies in daily life. Place them in healing spaces to promote overall wellness. Tips for choosing crystals by color. Listen to your intuition. Let your heart guide you toward the crystal that resonates most. Consider your intention. Match the crystal's color energy with your goal or need. Use multiple crystals. Combine colors to balance different energies. Regular cleansing. Keep your crystals charged and free from negative energy. Observe changes. Pay attention to how each crystal affects your emotions, thoughts, and energy. How to incorporate crystal colors into daily life. Crystals can be integrated into everyday life effortlessly. Wear them as jewelry, place them in your living space, meditate with them, or carry them as talismans. Align crystal colors with your intentions, whether for manifestation, healing, protection, or spiritual growth. Remember that your personal energy and connection to the crystal are just as important as its color. Understanding crystal colors and their hidden meanings is not just about aesthetics, it is about tuning into the subtle energies of the universe. Every color carries a unique vibration that can enhance your life, guide your spiritual journey, and promote emotional, mental, and physical well-being. Take time to explore the colors that resonate with you, trust your intuition, and allow crystals to be your allies in growth and transformation. Crystals are mirrors of our inner world, and their energy can help you live with clarity, purpose, and harmony. As you explore these crystal colors, remember to share your experiences, insights, or questions in the comments. Which color resonates most with your current energy? How do you use crystals in your daily life? Your perspective could inspire others to connect with the hidden power of crystal colors. Stay tuned for more deep insights into crystals, energy healing, and spiritual growth. Like, subscribe, and comment to be part of a global community exploring the hidden meanings of crystals. Your journey with crystal colors is just beginning.